back up here scouting. Perfect place to scout. And I would say this is a good buck. This ain't no snub and haul buck here. Look at this thing. He split the bark off of it completely, all the way up. Like he split the tree almost. And also, I don't know if he's rubbed on this one over here, but there's right there. See how? I'm assuming that's a pretty good indication. He's probably pretty wide, and that's pretty fresh. So I'm gonna scout around in this area a little bit more, and then I may leave my camera here. All right, here he's snapping these trees, these limbs like nothing. Look, he's breaking everything down here. Destroying it. I think I probably will leave that camera down there. We'll find me a good tree to set it on. Then I'll probably just leave it. But I may scout a little bit further. But it looks like he's been in here maybe today. Because it rained all day today. It looks like he's been in here today. I don't know what his licking branch is because he's destroyed it all. He's breaking everything off. But we're going to sneak down this way just a hair. And then we're going to back out. I'll put the camera down in there. There's another tree that's broke. And then right up here, another scrape. Well, I think I'm probably where I need to be. I ain't found no big rubs yet. But I like how he's breaking those limbs. It usually means the deer has tall time. Right here. Look, he's destroying all these little saplings. He's just snapping them over. Must be a real aggressive deer. But I think I'm where I need to be.